Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram search suggestions in just a few simple steps. First, head over to your Instagram profile and tap on the three bars in the top right corner. Then click on Activity. Scroll down until you see Recent Searches and tap on it. Here you'll find all your current searches. You can delete them one by one or simply hit Clear All to wipe your entire search history clean. Once that's done, go back to your profile, tap on the three bars again, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find Help and choose Report a Problem. Click on Report Problem without shaking. In the message, just ask Instagram to remove the search suggestions feature while typing. Hit Send and wait for Instagram to respond and to resolve this issue. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.